Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video. In this video guys, I will show you how to download and install BlueStack uh, for your PC, Windows or Mac setup operating system. So what is BlueStack? BlueStack is a powerful software which enable Android functioning on PC. You can function your Android games, application, and everything you want to use on PC. You can enable using BlueStack. So we will download BlueStack for our PC. So first of all, we will search here BlueStack. Best mobile gaming platform for PC and Mac. So you can also download for your Mac operating system. Just open this website, BlueStacks.com. So after that, game for everyone. Let's play top games, best of RPG, best of strategy, best of action. Play on your PC. You can download BlueStack for your PC and enjoy the Android software, complete software on your PC. So discover 2 million plus games, go on epic quest and endless fun with top RPG and strategy title. Try thrilling new Android games on the cloud or play locally on your PC. Okay, play game online or on your PC. Download BlueStack X on your PC and play via hybrid cloud or use the BlueStack 5 app player to download and play the game on your PC. Okay, you can download BlueStack and install on your PC and enjoy the full games of Android on your PC, online or offline on your BlueStack software. These are the games list. Many games are supported here. You can see here explore all games. Latest on the BlueStack blog. These are the article about BlueStack latest, what's new in and what's going on, and new variant and release notes about BlueStack. Top videos from our channel. These are the videos of BlueStack functioning, capabilities, features, tutorials and other reviews. Hybrid cloud or local PC, play as you like. Download for Windows BlueStack 10 and download BlueStack 5 here. So these are the about and capabilities, feature, functioning, usage of BlueStack. So we will go here and download BlueStack 5 for our Windows or Mac or everything, every operating system which we have. So it will detect automatically and download the setup for our PC Windows. Okay, you can see here the installer of BlueStack has been downloaded into our PC, and we will try to extract it or run it as administrator and install into our PC. So show and folder it, and you can see here the installer about 788 KB has been downloaded, and we run it as administrator. So yes, allow this, and this will be installed in few seconds. Yes, checking your system requirements. Yes, BlueStack is going to be checking our PC system requirement. Install now here. You can install here full free setup of BlueStack on your PC by clicking install here. Install now, and your BlueStack software is going to be downloaded. It's about 158 or 57 MB setup, and in few minutes it will be installed on my PC. So in this way you can also download and install BlueStack for your PC in this way. Thank you. This way you can easily download and install. By the way, it will install in few seconds, few minutes, and you will enjoy your Android, full Android, your powerful feature on your PC without any disturbance. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much. Yeah, so if you're new on this channel, please subscribe to my channel and support me, my small efforts. Thank you so much.